Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. We're just going to take a look at a standard deck of cards. I would like to introduce a few concepts about them in case we need them for mathematical counting or probability questions, or maybe even if we're looking at casino gaming. Behind me right now are the cards that you get when you purchase a standard deck. These two cards down here are called the jokers. When we are doing mathematics questions involving probability, counting, permutations or combinations, the jokers are never included in the deck. So bye-bye boys. That leaves us with the 52 standard cards in a deck that are behind me right now. When you buy a pack of cards and the jokers are included, there are 54. But when you discard the jokers in a standard deck of cards, there are 52 cards. So a standard deck, 52 cards, very important, remember that. And behind me you can see that there are 13 columns. The columns divide the cards into their ranks. And the 13 ranks are Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then Jack, Queen, and King. The aces are traditionally placed below the twos and usually just count as a 1. In this case, it is said that aces are low. But in some cases and some games, the aces are actually given a value stronger than a king. In this case, it is said that aces are high. The standard deck behind me is also divided into rows. These 4 rows are called the suits. There are 4 suits. The 4 suits are hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. I have also heard of diamonds described as tiles and clubs described as clovers. But in the English-speaking gaming world, it is diamonds and clubs. The hearts and the diamonds combined together are referred to as the red cards, and there are 26 red cards. And the spades and the clubs make up the black cards, which there are 26 of. When a card is being referred to, it is called by its rank and then its suit. For example, this is the 3 of spades. This is the Queen of diamonds. This is the 8 of clubs. Another important category of cards is the Jack, Queen, and the King. And they are often referred to as the picture cards or the face cards and sometimes even the court cards. I wonder why they're called face cards. Because those cards have faces on them. Oh, right, obviously. So there you have it, everybody. The 52 cards in a standard deck comprised of 4 suits and 13 ranks, giving 52. Thank you for watching.